If you're a great healthcare provider, but referral providers don't know you exist, you're invisible. And invisible providers don't get referrals. And here's what I hear every single day. I've been in business for 3 years, but case managers still don't know who I am. I send emails to discharge planners, primary care physicians, social workers. They never respond. I go to networking events, hand out business cards, and nothing happens. Sound familiar? The problem isn't your service. The problem is you are not where referral partners are looking. And where are they looking? LinkedIn. Case managers, discharge planners, primary care physicians, elder law attorneys, hospital social workers, whoever is your referral partner who could refer you patients, they're all on LinkedIn every single day looking for providers like you. But if your profile looks incomplete, generic, or unprofessional, they scroll right past you. In this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a LinkedIn profile that makes referral partners stop, read, and reach out. No fluff, no tech confusion, just simple steps that work. And by the end of the series, you will have a professional profile that builds instant trust, a headline that gets you found in searches, an about section that makes referral partners want to connect, skills that put you in front of the right people, and those will be referral partners. And the best part, you can do all of this in under 2 hours. And before we start, I want you to download the worksheet in the description below. You have to fill it out first, then follow along with each video, and let's make you visible and let's get you referrals.